Hey everybody, I'm so excited because we are here today at Ballet Palm Beach and this totally encompasses everything I'm talking about. Here we go. Développé to the fondu tendu, 1 and 2 to the tendu. Reverse it and 5th. Rond De Jambe and 6. Let's do a port de bras, 7 and 8. A little flick up to the tendu, just to a nice relaxed leg, and a cambray, 6, up 7 and 8, and reverse it to the fondu, up in to the 5th. En dedans with port de bras, 7, 8, flick en rond to the tendu, flick, tendu, cambray, 6, 7 to the half point, 8. Cambray forward, 2, 3, a little flick to coup de pied back, back, 6, 7, 8. Passé, let's take our balance again in passé, and other side, okay? Développé, plié, reverse it, and down. Rond de jambe, 6, 7, 8. 2 flick, 1 to the tendu, second one to the tendu, and a lunge. Reverse it, and lunge the other side. Cambray forward on the half point, little flick, cambray back, coup de pied back, controlling that up to the passé, find your balance. Alrighty, ready? And coup de pied, passé, 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Rond de jambe. Plié up, tendu. Plié up, tendu, breath, and down. Good. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. 1, girl. Plié up, rond, and effacé. And hit. 1. 1. Cambray on half point. And up, 5, 6, 7. Flick to the back. Back. And up to the passé. Find your balance. When you're ready, Susu. And finish. Good. Eyes up on that first développé. Don't look at your leg. Follow your arm. And 1, 2, 3. Down. Ah, better. 1. Plié, 1 up. Plié, 1 up. Ah. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Plié up. Breath and 1. 4 up. 5. Flick and back. 1, 2, and up to the passé. Find your balance. And finish.
If this is your first time to the channel, we would love it if you subscribed. This channel is all about helping you dance better. This is both for you teachers and students. Again, hit that subscribe button and I'll see you next time.